You have a business, but you don't have a business name. Let's fix that. My name is Sharifa. I'm a virtual assistant with over 10 years of experience in project management and marketing, building sales funnels. In this video, I'll be showing you my process for coming up with business name ideas so that you can put them down on paper, put them in your notes in your phone, plug and play, mix and match so that you can find the perfect business name for you. With that said, let's get started. So first you'll go to Google, type in BusinessNameGenerator, and then what I do is I take 3 or 4 different websites that I find here based on obviously the safety and click-through. So of course the Wix site would be perfect, the Shopify site would be perfect, the Canva site of course would be perfect, Looka as well would be great. And then I go through those 3 or 4 sites and I pull all those names that I come up with, put them on a list, and then go back and forth and kind of set it down for a couple hours, couple days, overnight, what have you, until I come back and then basically have that light bulb moment. So for today's purposes, we're going to use the Shopify Business Name Generator. I wanted to use love and then that concept. Insert a concept. And so for our purposes, I want to do matcha just because it's a popular product. So these are some of the names that they came up with for a store called Love Matcha. Now, as you can see, this is why I use several websites because there's not many options here. But for example, Love in a Cup, I like that. I feel like that may be a bit generic though. The website could be chosen already or being used already. Heartfelt Sips, Love Infusion, those would be perfect names for a seasonal matcha website for the Valentine's Day holiday. Let's keep going. Matcha Moments, I like that name, and it might be available. Matcha and Mingle, I like that. Delightful Matcha Experience, I like that. Matcha Love would be another good seasonal Valentine's Day landing page idea. So next we'll take Matcha Moments. We'll plug it into GoDaddy or whatever domain search tool you'd like to use and see if this URL is available for purchase. And we'll give it a minute. Okay, so this website is already purchased, and let's see if it's in use. Let's see if someone bought it and they're just sitting on it to sell it to another person later, or if they actually have built it out and they're running a matcha business from this URL. Okay, so Matcha Moments is not an option. So for example, if GoDaddy said that matchamoments.co, which is .co, were available, I still would caution against using that name because your competitor already has a built-out matcha business off of .com, and I would, it'd be unfortunate to see your prospective clients and customers just through habit type in .com, see this landing page, click on shop now and the hero banner, and be off to the races shopping with them. So I would avoid using Matcha Moments in purchasing that domain. The last site I want to show you today is iAsk.ai. And this is an AI tool that will generate some more names for you just to add to the brainstorming list. I've already put a prompt in so we can go ahead and get started in terms of seeing what names they've generated for us. But as you can see, there's different filters you can use as well. I love girl power. I have a virtual assistant business. So I wanted to see what they could come up with in terms of names for a girl power themed virtual assistant business. I also love the Spice Girls, so I said this would be kind of fun. So let's see what they come up with. We have an empowered assistants. She leads virtual assistants. Lady leaders. She can assistants. Her success partners. I like that. Let's try She Leads Virtual Assistants and see if that domain name is available for purchase. Moment of truth. It is not available. However, what I like about GoDaddy is that they still give you a lot of great options for alternative names. And so, again, add these as you see fit to your brainstorming master sheet. So you can continue to go through all the different names that made your short list. Like I said, mix and match, plug and play until you come up with the business name that fits so you can move forward with launching your business. Appreciate you stopping by. Check out my links if you'd like to work together or if you prefer DIY options.